Welcome aboard this 2024 Scout Boats 277 LXF. This boat is powered by Yamaha 200s, that's two of them on the 277 LXF. They are mounted to Scout's beautiful Esthec swim platform. So it's not really teak, but it looks like teak, really easy to clean, grip, and it's a nice wide platform, so when you're docked and the engines are trimmed down, you can actually board from either side and pass through. One of the options we have outfitted on this boat is the ski pylon, and we've also got a raw water washdown on the stern swim platform. On the inside of the boat, we've got our folding bench seat on the back, really soft cushion, really plush. You've got to feel this in person. You won't feel another cushion like it. Scout does a great job with the materials that they use for their cushions. This folds up easily out of the way, so if you're going to be doing fishing from the back of the boat, don't need the seating out or need to access the bilge, that tucks in nice and flush. In the port corner, we've got our live well. And the leaning post here is a deluxe leaning post optioned out for this boat. We've got a Corian top, sink, storage area, and this Yeti cooler also doubles as a seat. It's got a Scout logoed cushion on there that slides out and can act as a seat. On the starboard side, we've got trash receptacle, and on the port side, we've got 3 tackle drawers. And you'll notice that the back has rod holders and cup holders. On the port side of the boat, we've got our dive door entry. This makes it really easy to pull in that big fish or just boarding on and off the dock without going to the swim platform. Up here at the helm, we've got bolsters that slide up and down on the seats, as well as armrests on either side. This boat comes with a Garmin 9-inch display. We've also got a Fusion stereo. So this is the premium upgraded Fusion stereo, so you'll also notice that there's speakers on the hardtop, subwoofer down below. We've got our speed knob on the Lumar Scout steering wheel, and we've also got this awesome feature, Yamaha's Helmmaster EX. This is the joystick control for the Yamahas. Really nice feature for docking, spot locking. Really good feature to have on this size boat. And another fun feature is the wireless charger for your mobile phone. Sticks right in there and charges wirelessly. We do have battery charger on board, so you can plug in right here. And also pump out head. Your main stereo display is in there, as well as all of your battery switches, which are remote. Scout gives you a nice little key fob so you can turn on the boat as you walk down to the dock. Coming up to the bow, you've got more Corian countertops, storage, cup holders, beautiful seating again, backrests that are removable, storage underneath both sides, grab rails, stainless steel, and then we optioned ours out with the rod holder, cup holder combination. So cup fits in there, pull out the cup, got enough room for your rod holder, your rod to go in there as well. At the front of the helm, you've got another beautiful seat with storage underneath. Extremely comfortable boat, very nicely done hardtop. Again, you'll see the speakers. We've got spreader lights front and aft. This boat is the black hull and heritage interior. Really nice classic looking combo. Scout boats quality is unmatched. You got to come down to Westbrook MarineMax and see this boat in person. It is for sale and ready for delivery. Thanks for watching.